Have you ever looked at a bright star and thought, that must be one of the most powerful stars in the universe? Well, your eyes have been lying to you. Today we are going to discuss photometry, the branch of astrophysics that measures light, and discover why brightness isn't telling you the whole story. Imagine I show you these two stars, one looks incredibly bright, the other is barely visible. So, which one is actually producing more light? If you pick the brighter one, congratulations. You just made the exact mistake our brains make every single night. Our eyes are terrible astronomers. They judge stars exactly the way they judge people on Instagram, only by what appears in front of them. And that's a problem because in astronomy, appearance is almost never reality. Let's do something. Imagine I turn on my phone flashlight, pretty bright, right? Now imagine someone switches on the floodlights of an entire football stadium, which looks brighter. My phone. Does that mean my phone produces more light? Of course not. It's just ridiculously closer. This is the biggest illusion in astronomy. Objects don't just become dim because they're weak, they become dim because they're far away. Our eyes completely ignore distance. And astronomers learned this lesson the hard way, so they invented something called photometry, the science of measuring light, not guessing, measuring. Now comes the real measure. Luminosity means how much energy a star produces every second, not what reaches us. A star does the exact same thing. Some stars produce 10 times, 100,000 times, or even millions of times more energy than our sun, yet many of them look incredibly faint. Why? Because almost all of their light never reaches us. Space is unimaginably huge. Now, for the cool part, here's the relationship astronomers use. It looks scarier than it actually is. Let's decode it. B is the apparent brightness, L is luminosity. The star's actual power, D is distance. The distance from Earth. The really important part is this. Distance is squared. That tiny little 2 changes everything. Let's see why. Suppose a star moves twice as far away. Its brightness doesn't become half, it becomes 1/4. If the distance becomes 3 times larger, brightness becomes 1/9, 4 times farther, 1/16, 5 times farther, 1/25th. That's incredibly fast. Every time you double the distance, the light spreads over 4 times the area. Except instead of spreading across a circle, it spreads across an expanding sphere. That's why brightness drops so quickly. Take our sun. It's actually an average star, nothing particularly special, but it's by far the brightest object in our sky. Why? Because it's incredibly close. Now consider stars like Rigel. Rigel produces tens of thousands of times more energy than the sun, yet it looks like just another bright point in the night sky. Distance wins every time. This is why astronomers can never judge a star just by looking at it. They have to measure its light, calculate its distance, and work backwards. Only then can they discover the star's true power.